अस्सलामुअलैकुम डियर स्टूडेंट्स। इन क्वेश्चंस के अलावा जो कि मैं वीडियोस बना के लगा रहा हूं, अगर आपको कोई और भी किसी और एक्सरसाइज से कोई और चैप्टर से कोई क्वेश्चन आपने समझना है, पूछना है, तो आप मुझसे रब्ता कर सकते हैं और मैं कोशिश करूंगा कि प्रायोरिटी पे आपके जो बताए हुए क्वेश्चंस हैं वो उसकी वीडियो बना के मैं अपलोड कर दूँ। एक्सरसाइज 1.3 and the next question is question number 5 in which question number 5 in which we know that 3x minus 2 x power minus 2 plus 5 is equal to 8x power minus 1. Now shift it into standard form. We get 3x power minus 1 whole power 2 minus 8x power minus 1 plus 5 is equal to 0. Now put x power minus 1 is equal to 1. We get 3y square minus 8y plus 5 is equal to 0. Now solve or factorize the question. We get 3y square minus 3y minus 5y plus 5 is equal to 0. Take common 3y and here is y minus 1 minus 5, y minus 1 is equal to 0, y minus 1, 3y minus 5 is equal to 0. Y minus 1 is equal to 0, 3y minus 5 is equal to 0, and here y is equal to 1, 3y is equal to 5 and y is equal to 5. Now we put the value of x instead of y in both the values. We get y is equal to 1 and y is equal to 1 and y is equal to 5 over 3. We get, when we put the values of x instead of y, we get x power minus 1 is equal to 1 and 1 over x is equal to 1. Take reciprocal both sides. Here is x is equal to 1 and in the other values x power minus 1 is equal to 5 over 3. 1 over x is equal to 5 over 3. Take reciprocal both sides. We get x is equal to 3 over 5. So the solution set is question number 5 is 1 and 3 over 5. And the next question is question number 6. Here 2x square plus 1 bracket plus 3 over 2x square plus 1 is equal to 4. Now we put two x square plus 1 is equal to y. We get y plus 3 over y is equal to 4. Now multiply by both sides. multiply y both sides, we get y square plus 3 is equal to 4y. Convert in the standard form, y square minus 4y plus 3 is equal to 0. And now simplify it, y square minus 3y minus 3 minus y plus 3 is equal to 0. Take common y minus 3 minus 1 y minus 3 is equal to 0. And the answer is y minus 3 into y minus 1 is equal to 0. Y minus 3 is equal to 0 and y minus 1 is equal to 0. We get the value y is equal to 3 and y is equal to 1. Now we put the value of y, which is 2x square plus 1 instead of y. We get 2x square plus 1 is equal to 3. Shift plus 1 on the other side, we get 2x square is equal to 3 minus 1. 2x square is equal to 2 and x square is equal to 1. Taking square root, we get x is equal to plus minus 1. And on the second value, y is equal to 1. We same put the value of 2x square plus 1 is equal to 1. Shift plus 1 on the other side, we get 2 x square is equal to 1 minus 1, which is equal to x square is equal to 0 and x square is equal to 0. Same, we take square root both sides, we get x is equal to 0. So the solution set is plus minus 1 and 0, which is the answer of question 6. Now question number 7, which is x over x minus 3 plus 4 times x minus 3 over x is equal to 4. Now we put x over x minus 3 is equal to y. Put x over x minus 3 is equal to y. We get the value y plus 4 over y is equal to 4. Now we multiply y both sides. Multiply by y both sides, we get y square plus 4 is equal to 4y. Now convert shift into standard form, we get y square minus 4y plus 4 is equal to 0. And we know that this is the square of y minus 2 is equal to 0. Here you can further solve it. Y minus 2 is equal to 0 and y minus 2 is equal to 0. Y is equal to 2 and we know that x over x minus 3 is equal to y. So put the value of y instead. We get x over x minus 3 is equal to 2. 2 over 2 means 2 over 1. Now we cross multiply. X multiplied by 1 and x minus 3 multiplied by 2. We get x is equal to 2x minus 6. Now simplify it. Shift minus 6 on the left side and x on the right side. We get 2x minus x is equal to 6. 2x minus x is equal to x is equal to 6. And the other value x minus 5 also, and its value is also x is equal to 6. So the solution set is equal to, in both the ways, the solution set of value x is equal to 6, and it is our answer. Now we solve question number 8. Four x plus 1 over 4x minus 1 plus 4x minus 1 over 4x plus 1 is equal to 2 whole 1 over 6. Now first of all, we this fraction converted into improper fraction. We get 4x plus 1 over 4x minus 1 plus 4x minus 1 over 4x plus 1 is equal to 6 2s are 12 and 1 13 over 6. Now we put 4x plus 1 over 4x minus 1 is equal to y. So here this is y and this is the reciprocal of this value. So we take 1 over y is equal to 13 over 6. Now converted into standard form, we multiply 6 by both sides. Multiply by 6y both sides, we get 6y square plus 6 is equal to 13y. And now we convert it into standard form. 6y square minus 13y plus 6 is equal to 0. And now we factorize. We get 6y square minus 9y minus 4y plus 6 is equal to 0. Take square common, 3y, 2y minus 3 minus 2, 2y minus 3 is equal to 0. 2y minus 3 and the other is 3y minus 2 is equal to 0. Now 2y minus 3 is equal to 0 and 3y minus 2 is equal to 0. Find in both the questions the value of y. 2y is equal to 3 and y is equal to 3 over 2. And on the other, 3y is equal to 2 and y is equal to 2 over 3. Now we put the value of y, both the values, and find the value of x, which is y is equal to x plus 4, 4x plus 1, y is equal to 4x plus 1 over 4x minus 1 is equal to 3 over 2. Now we cross multiply the values. 2 multiplied by 4x plus 1, we get 2. 4x plus 1 is equal to 3. 4x minus 1. Simplified. 4 2s are 8x plus 2 is equal to 12 x minus 3. We shift 8x on the right side and 3 on the left side. We get 2 plus 3 is equal to 12x minus 8x. 12x minus 8x is equal to 4x is equal to 2 plus 3 is equal to 5 and x is equal to 5 over 4. And the other value of y is equal to 2 over 3. Same, we find the value of x. 4x plus 1 over 4x minus 1 is equal to 2 over 3. Now we cross multiply the values. 4x plus 1 with 3 and 4x minus 1 with 2. We get 3. 4x plus 1 is equal to 2. 4x minus 1. Multiply 12x plus 3 is equal to 8x minus 2. Now we shift 8x on the left side and 3 on the right side. We get 12x minus 8x is equal to minus 2 minus 3. 12x minus 8x is equal to 4x is equal to, here minus 2 minus 3 is equal to minus 5 and x is equal to minus 5 over 4. And hence the solution set is 5 over 4 and minus 5 over 4 is the answer. And we can write it also plus minus 5 over 4.